Girl Bella.
Hi babes, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a good old-fashioned unboxing, and believe it or not, I think only one of these things is actually makeup related. Everything else is, I think, clothing items. So, want to see what I got? Keep it right here. Okay, so as many of you know, I am going on my first Carnival cruise soon with my fam, and I thought I'd pick up, just a couple of things to kind of accessorize some of the other things that I already have. So I didn't have to do a whole lot of shopping because I have a lot of things that I can wear on the cruise, but I saw a couple of items that I was like, yeah, maybe. And one that I was just like, you know what, I have to use these credits anyway, and we'll get to that one in a second. So I decided, yeah, let me just go ahead and do it. So the first thing I got is something from Topshop, and Topshop is one of those places that I love their dresses, especially their maxi dresses. And when I saw this, I was like, yeah, I have to get this. One, because it's in a color that I don't normally wear. And then two, I just thought it would be such a pretty addition to my wardrobe that I'm taking for the cruise, right? So here it is. It's from Topshop, and it is a beautifully long maxi dress. So it goes down to my ankles. So cute. And I got it on sale. I believe this was like 20 bucks, and the regular price was, I have to look for it. I think it was either $189 or $119, something like that, and I got it for 20 bucks. And even though it's long sleeve, I can probably wear this through the fall as well. Don't take it on my vacation. Maybe I'll wear it for my birthday, which is coming up soon in the fall. As you know, those of you who may shop with Savage X Fenty, you can join her VIP club, and what it does is every time you buy something from them, they give you a store credit. Well, I had accumulated all of these store credits because I wasn't shopping for them for a long time since the last thing that I hauled and I bought, which I think I showed you all. And so I had like 5 credits. And I was like, you know what, I'm not really utilizing this. Like, it's not worth the money for me to pay this monthly price if I'm not really using it every month and buying something every month. So with the 5 credits, I was able to get all of this stuff. These are high-waisted leggings in pink. Can you believe I don't have like bright pink leggings? As much as I love pink, I don't have them. So I saw these and I was like, oh my God, these are so cute. So here are the leggings, and they're in a size large. They're called Pink Highlighter, and they have like this cute seam here that's kind of mesh and see-through. And then on the back, it has the little Savage X, and it's high-waisted, so it goes all the way up. So I got these. These in blue, which also have like that trim on the side, because I don't have this kind of blue either. I was trying to get leggings that are in colors that I don't normally have, but I have like black sports bras, so I can wear them with like my black sports bras or other colors. And again, it has the Savage X Fenty right in the front, and it also has it in the back. And this one is also in that trim. Really, really cute. And And these are also in a size large. Then I also got one of her bra tops that I thought was really, really cute. This is in the size extra large. It's really cute. So I can wear them with other leggings that I have. That's the front, and then that's the back. So cute. And it has the Savage X Fenty in the back there. Cute pair. Got a onesie. This is kind of like loungewear for days like, you know, if I don't want to get dressed, but I want to go down and like get something to eat or something like that, but I don't feel like getting all dressed up. I thought I would throw something on like this and wear. So it's just a onesie. It's a jumper, sleeveless, but very, you know, very thick, so it's not gonna like show anything. And it goes, I think, all the way down to my ankles. So I can wear them with some sneakers. I can wear them with some sandals to just kick around in. I can even throw on like my pool slides. If I want to put my bathing suit underneath, I can do that. So I got that. And then because I got those things, they sent me a special gift. So the gift is a paddle. It is a denim and lace paddle from Fenty. And here it is, denim and lace. Bella After Dark, anyway. So that is everything that I got from Savage X Fenty. That was really cute. That paddle is really, really cute. All right, so this is from my friends at Love Your Melon. They design hats, beanies, headbands, and these beautiful visors for people who are suffering from cancer. So you can wear these to show your solidarity. You can also donate one of these hats to someone with cancer so that they know that we are supporting them and we love them. And every purchase that you make goes back into cancer research and to help patients who are suffering from the disease. So I am proud to partner with them. More on this hat, more on my personal journey with cancer with friends and family members to come soon, but wanted to share with you the wonderful visor that they were able to send me. So thank you, Love Your Melon. I did pick up one more thing from Natasha Denona, and the reason why I picked this up was that as I was looking through my minis, I realized I didn't have this, and I've always wanted it, and it's always sold out everywhere. It is the Camo palette. I wanted this so badly, and I actually want to take it with me on vacation when I go. So that is the reason that I purchased this, because I knew I wouldn't be able to bring any of my midi size palettes with me, and I wanted to play around with some of the colors in here while I'm on vacation. So it's finally here. More on that and what makeup I will be packing for my trip in an upcoming video. And then lastly, I did also get her High Glam Concealer, which I will be talking about in an upcoming video. Here is what the concealer looks like. Very sleek packaging. So we will be talking about this in a future video as well. So that is everything, babes. I hope you enjoyed this little mini unboxing. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget, sharing is caring. So share me out to your friends, to your foes, to all you knows, and let them know to come over and watch Brown Girl Bella. And until next time, you have now been Bellafied. Bye, babes.